Kajala Megalaya Hadoka Arbaji Minsky Joka Country Nailar Arhaja Arpo, Kradan Prapu Armut Kibio Thamayo COVID-19, but Nyop Kandangot Kibla Koino. Director ke Health Service Ulapante Banakini ki Prapu Armut Kibio Thamai, Arpongur Kidene East Kasil District, Hakabasangur Kidiki Shipai BSF, Katsangur Kiriu Paidba. Katsangut na Riboy District, but Sapu Prangut na West Garo Hills District, Kibakintup Yalife Kandangot ki Shipai BSF, but Kandangot Kiriu Paidba. Nagini ki Nyop Kandangot ki Block Koitpat, Langur Kide na Riboy District, Iwe na West Jante Hills District, but Nyopusangut na East Khasi Hills District, Kibakintup Yarpuingut ki Shipai BSF, Langut na ka Armed Force, but Sanpuingut ki Riu Paidba. Dakajing Thamai Kiniki Prapu Armut, Bakajing Kotno ki Nyop Kandangot, Kajala Megalaya had a primi Yakanika Kubor, Kadonshiaja, Lispa, Nyop South League positive case, Hendrispa Handai Polite League active case, Hendrispa Nyopusan League recovered case, Ban Ringwood Kiblakladno. Nakinik Hendrispa Handai Polite League active case, Ki East Kasil District Kadon Lispa Prapolite Lee, Hagaba Nyopoingot Kidik Shipai BSF, Arspa Sapu Armut Kiriu Paidba, Ban Nyopongot Naka Armed Force. West Kasil District Kadon Lightly, Southwest Kasil District Iway, Riboy District Shispa, West Jante Hills Sun, East Jante Hills Sun, West Garo Hills Shispa Prapulai, Southwest Garo Hills Lai, South Garo Hills R, but North Garo Hills Kadon Pratali active case.